Hello and welcome back to my channel Dr. Mobo. In this video I will show you quickly, easily and within a second no internet connection solution, and this is an all-in-one solution. Whether you have Windows 10, Windows 11 or any Windows, it will 100% work because we have tried with lots of computers. So it is 100% working method and this is very easy. So let's start. I will show you quickly how to solve this issue, and you no need to write any command. You don't need to do any CMD commands or network reset setting and everything. You don't need to do anything. Just do this simple trick and it will 100% solve your problem. So let's start. Come here in the start menu, right click on that, click on setting, or you can just simply right click on that, and if you click in device manager, come here on the device menu. It will take a few seconds to load my device manager. Maybe today my computer is a bit slow, so I will just wait for appearing this one. Yeah, I can see here is my device manager. Now in device manager you will see lots of options, but what you have to do is within a simple trick, just come here on the little bit down and you will see here network adapter. Simply click on this arrow and you will see all these things. Okay, so what you have to do is you don't need to do any installation or anything else. If you are using wire, you will get your wireless adapter option, and if you are using a wire you will get like this. Now simply if you are having issue with your wire or with the wireless, simply right click on that and click on uninstall device. If you click on that, just simply uninstall it. Okay, and remove all these the same ways. Okay, right click and click on uninstall. Uninstall all these devices and simply restart your laptop or computer, and it will 100% solve your issue without any issue. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel Dr. Mobo. Thank you for watching.